in your cells at your very conception. Okay, so this paradigm is, it might be simple to give the adjectives, but the actuality of the implications of it are so deep in our subconscious that it is a matter of constantly choosing and reminding yourself. Last week I went through a day where I woke up in a lot of pain. And I'm like, well, what's going on? I'm in so much pain. And I actually heard Source say, pain is the areas where guilt is still in your body.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And let me just make the comment too that they heard Alexa going off there, and we had Alexa set to not record, but you just never know with it anyway. But so I've unplugged it. I've unplugged her. She's unplugged.
But what she replied to, interestingly, was the word happy. And she said, I don't know that.
Oh,
that's what I said.
Yes, that's what she said.
I didn't know that. Yeah,
exactly.
Yes. I was wondering who said that.
That was pretty interesting.
That's telling, isn't it?
That was very
telling.
telling.
I don't know that. Isn't that
in terms of that technology?
That's AI, artificial intelligence.
That's right.
Supposed to be knowing all these things, right?
That's right. I don't know that. I don't know how.
Oh my God.
Don't know.